Power. Adrenaline. Action. And more at Machinemarvels. Tree cutting machines play a vital role in the sustainable use of our natural resources. Every tree is part of the ecosystem, and before cutting, it's important to consider its environmental impact. Today, these machines not only improve efficiency, but also play a critical role in maintaining a balance through responsible forest management. Stump removal and root raking machines are essential tools for cleaning up the forest floor. The large remnants left behind can hinder natural growth, but these machines help create space for healthy regeneration. It's important to be mindful that every action taken in the forest aims to maintain ecological balance. Wood chipping machines are responsible for turning large logs into smaller, usable pieces, helping recycle wood in various forms. While this process benefits the timber industry, we must remember to minimize the environmental damage. Every piece of woodcut should contribute to a cycle of regeneration, not depletion. Log splitters break down large logs into more manageable pieces, making the wood easier to use. While this improves efficiency in wood processing, it's crucial to consider the long-term impact on the ecosystem. Forests must be treated with care, ensuring that they regenerate just as quickly as they are harvested. Stump grinding machines help to clear the forest floor of leftover stumps. By grinding them down to ground level, they allow for healthier new growth, ensuring that the land can return to a state of natural balance. Using these tools responsibly helps preserve the ecosystem for future generations. Advancing technology in tree cutting allows for faster, more efficient work, but this speed can come at an environmental cost. The key is to balance the benefits of modern machinery with the need for responsible forest management practices that ensure the future health of our ecosystems. Eco-friendly forestry machines are designed to optimize the use of natural resources while ensuring minimal harm to the environment. These tools help transform the way we approach timber harvesting, reducing waste and promoting sustainable practices that safeguard our forests for the future. Tree harvesting machines cut down trees, but their impact goes beyond just collecting timber. The process of turning raw logs into usable products must be accompanied by responsible forest management. Every cutting operation should be followed by replanting and sustainable practices to maintain the forest ecosystem. High-speed log processing machines increase efficiency, but they also bring environmental concerns. The goal should always be to process wood in a way that minimizes ecological damage while maximizing resource use. Every machine should be part of a sustainable cycle that ensures healthy forests for generations to come. Root clearing machines help clear large roots and stumps, allowing for more efficient forest management. However, with every action taken, we must remain conscious of the forest's natural processes and ensure that these tools are used responsibly to preserve biodiversity and ecological health. Bark removal machines strip the outer layer of trees, making the wood ready for further processing. While this process is necessary for efficient timber production, it's essential to remember that every step in the chain must be environmentally conscious, promoting a healthy and sustainable use of forest resources. Reforesting is one of the most important actions we can take to counterbalance deforestation. After trees are cut down, new ones must be planted to ensure the continuity of the forest ecosystem. Responsible replanting practices help restore the balance and ensure that future generations can enjoy the beauty and benefits of forests. Technology is transforming forest management, making it more efficient while reducing environmental impact. These advanced machines offer new ways to manage forests more effectively, but they must be used in harmony with nature to ensure that the forest can regenerate and continue providing for future generations. Forestry machines can have a significant environmental impact, but with the right practices, this can be minimized. Each piece of equipment should be used with care to ensure that the benefits of harvesting timber don't come at the cost of environmental degradation. Sustainable forestry is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems. When trees are cut down, it's essential that they are replaced through replanting. This ensures that forests remain healthy and capable of regenerating. Replanting is a crucial part of forest management that helps preserve biodiversity and supports the global environment. Forests are not only crucial for the environment, but also for the economy. Timber and forest products support millions of jobs globally. However, for these industries to remain sustainable, it's important that forest management practices focus on preservation and regeneration to ensure long-term economic growth. Tree cutting can be dangerous work, and safety must always come first. Every operation should follow strict safety guidelines to prevent accidents. By ensuring safe practices, we protect both the workers and the environment, ensuring that forests are managed in a way that is both efficient and responsible. Forests have a natural ability to regenerate, but this process is often enhanced by responsible forestry practices. By allowing forests to regrow naturally after harvesting, we can promote healthier ecosystems and better biodiversity. Regeneration helps ensure the long-term sustainability of our forests.
Dry split foot.
If you found these powerful machines fascinating and want to see more of the incredible world of forestry and technology, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Join us on our journey as we explore the cutting-edge tools that shape the future of forest management, while promoting sustainability and safety. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you. Thank you for watching.